guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with some more videos. Today, I wanted to do a really summery, glowy, nudie-esque look. We can go even more nudier on the eyes, but I love playing with shadows. But this eye look was super simple and easy, and I definitely wanted to go a little bit more out, especially I decided to comb my hair. Can you guess why? Because we're going to a JLo concert today, so I had to do the half up, half down do, and it is pouring outside, but it's not going to rain on my parade. And I've actually finished with some time to spare. But if you guys want to see how I got this summer glowy look, then just keep on watching. So I've already gone ahead and done my right eye. We're going to go with the left eye, and first off, I'm going to go ahead and take some MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. We're just going to use this as a base so that everybody stays and stands out. I'm just blending it in with a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, especially since I have like nails right now. And I'll just kind of like pat that in with my finger. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set that. Any under eye setting powder will do. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the Shayla Colourpop Perception palette. I freaking love this palette so much. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the shade Culture and a fluffy brush. And we're just going to go ahead and add this as an all over transition shade. I've already gone ahead and done my brows as well. I went in with my LA Girl Shady Slim brow pencil. I meant to use my Maybelline Ultra Slim brow pencil. I thought I was using it, but that was actually put away. Just gonna kind of build this color up to how you like it. And I actually like doing tutorials with my left eye. I don't know why. I like the way, maybe the way it's angled. I like the way eyeshadow goes on my left eye a little bit more than my right eye. It's weird. Does anybody have a preference of an eye? I thought it would be my right eye, but no, it's my left eye. Next, we're going to go ahead and take a Morphe M433, and I'm going to take the shade Thick with a C. And we're going to go ahead and add this into the crease. And we're going to build that up. Super simple and easy. We're kind of like patting on the color here and then bringing this into the crease. You can kind of bring it up a little bit because the next shade is going to go a little bit lower than this, just to kind of add some definition. Just little circular motions and then back and forth windshield wiper motions. And this is kind of like manipulating my lid shade and making it just look a little bit bigger than it is not. Once you kind of have the consistency that you want, going back in with that first brush and no additional product and just blending that out. Little circular motions like right above and back and forth windshield wiper motions. You can totally leave it like this, but I'm gonna go in with the shade Revenge, kind of like this burnt like reddish brown shade, and this one's gonna go mostly on the edge and bring that in a little bit lower than where we did Thick. And don't worry if this goes on your lid. We're not gonna do like a cut crease type thing. Just kind of messy but easy. It's gonna look all put together once you do your liner and your lashes. That's pretty much it with the blending. Just kind of diffusing what you did. No additional product with that brush that I took Thick with. Just blending right above, and then we're gonna go in one more time with that really fluffy brush. Super easy. And yep, fluffy brush, no additional product, and now blending that one more time, diffusing that even more. Now you can totally go in with the shades in the palette anyone you want, but I want it to be extra glittery. Taking one of my favorite Super Shock shadows from Colourpop. Like, I'm gonna have to buy this again. This one is in the shade Amaze. Honestly, these probably work best and easily with your finger, but sometimes I'll take like a brush just for like precise placement. So I'll try to get like my tiniest finger because I do have tiny little eyelids, and just kind of place that on your lid. Look at that. Oh my god, I freaking love. Look at that. I freaking love these. Just pat it on. And I'm just taking like a regular concealer brush, but honestly the finger's probably the best way, but just to kind of get into those inner corners and just all around. And like, honestly, if you wanted to pop on some bronzer and maybe just one of these Super Shock shadows, like that would be more than enough. And I think this would look awesome for like just a quick go-to summer look. Keeping it pretty simple on the eyes. If you're wondering, we got that half up, half down ponytail. because we are going to a J-Lo concert. So I was like, which hairstyle should I do? Should we do half up, half down? Should we do the top knots, the real slicked back? Do we just do curls? Oh my god, I don't know. But I figured, when else am I gonna wear my hair like this? And it'll all come together once we get our makeup on. Gonna go in with a little bit of that Revenge and just kind of blend this in. Plus, I feel like I'm wearing like a tank top, so this will kind of like cover my shoulders a little bit. And also it's like, it's like raining. It's probably gonna be sticky out, so this way we get like half of our hair out of our face type of a deal. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and add liner and lashes, and we'll finish off the rest of the face. While we're doing our liner and lashes, I'm actually gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, because I like to let my primer kind of sit on my face for a while, let that sink in before I go in with my foundation, which today we're actually gonna get a little bit fancy. So I wanted to, if you guys have seen my previous video that I just posted, the e.l.f. review that I did with a bunch of products, this is one of them, and so I've been wanting to test this out a little bit more. Did I do too much? Maybe. And kind of see how this works. So the foundation I'm actually gonna use today, I've always used it, I know how it works. So let's see what's up and how this primer reacts today. All right, we've gone ahead and put on our liner, NYX matte liquid liner, and lashes are Baddie B lashes in the style Baddie. Now that our primer is infused into our face, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Honestly, this was a great debate between the Giorgio Armani or my new current favorite, the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. And honestly, I just haven't been able to play with the Giorgio Armani that much since I got it, because I've been obsessed with the Maybelline. So I was like, you know what, let's go ahead, it's J-Lo, let's do some Armani today. But honestly, I think that Maybelline is kind of even better. I think I even like it even more than the Armani. Oh my god, like that has just been my latest obsession. I just like how lightweight it feels and how long it lasts, especially in just like super hot weather. I wore it all day for my birthday tailgate, and it lasted. I was looking at the photos, I was like, damn, that looks good. I was just so impressed. But I wanted to play with this one to buy for my birthday, but the Maybelline one, I was like, I don't know, will I feel the need to buy the Giorgio Armani ever again? I don't know, I might just have to stock up on the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. If you guys have not seen that review and demo, I'll link that down below, but you need it. It's like $13 max at like Walgreens. You can probably get it for like 11, maybe even 10 at like Target and Walmart. I figured might as well get that J-Lo glow today. So we are going to glow. That's what we're going to focus on, the bronze and the glow. I mean, that should be every day though, right? For my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Oh, is that too light? We'll find out. I just felt like we're doing luminous, creamy, hydrating on the face. So definitely going to keep that going under the eyes as well. Like I sometimes when I go like super luminous on the face, I don't exactly want to go matte, because I feel like, I don't know, that might cancel it out, especially like, as you can see, we do the inner part of the face. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Okay, no, it looks a lot brighter on camera. I was like, whoa, is that too bright? We are good. We are good. I like this little point that this sponge has, so I can get right into the inner corner, because that can definitely be the tricky part. Snatch the face, snatch the hair. Then we get some contour and we is good to go. I'm torn. I was honestly torn between which we're doing bronzer, but you know, we'll still add dimension to the face. I was torn between which bronzer, Fenty Beauty or the Anastasia Beverly Hills, because that's like my go-to, but I want to use the Fenty because I think I've only used that on camera when I first like got to kind of like test it out, and I really like that one. To set underneath the eyes, I'm going to take my Colourpop loose setting powder. Mine is in the shade Translucent, and honestly, like, I have used this so much, but we still got so much to go. This is like probably going to be the first setting powder that I actually use up. I love it so much, but we want to make sure underneath the eyes it does not crease. So I like to go in once more right before because I get really bad creasing. Keep the eyes open. Dip and a dip. And just kind of let that sit there a little bit. Freaking love this powder. And especially so I can like bake underneath my bronzer too. So just kind of pressing that in there. Lovely look we have going on. And honestly, don't leave it on for too long, and I just kind of wipe off. Especially since I am drier, so I don't want to like get extra dry underneath the eyes. Very, very lightly, just because it is so sticky and gross out. It's like thundering right now. I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm trying to see J-Lo. I'm still gonna see J-Lo. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Galactic Luminous Face Powder and just ever so lightly, just the outer perimeters of the face. Maybe right there. I'll go back in with the powder for the smile lines. Sometimes I'll go right here, just a little bit of powder, because I tend to crease there, especially if you're doing like a little bit more luminous. I'll just do that. We're just gonna go ahead and do the Fenty bronzer. Once again, if you guys are curious, mine is in the shade Private Island. I just like how natural this color kind of goes on, and I'm using my e.l.f. bronzer or I have to figure out this name. Flawless Precision brush. But yeah, I like this color for my skin tone. I could have maybe gone the next shade up, but I think that would have been a little bit too much. Maybe if I tan a little bit. We is going bronzy. Don't worry, we're gonna clean this up. Bringing that down. Make sure, especially if my hair's pulled back, I'm trying to get whatever skin that is right there. It's cool. We'll shower later. I like to blend up. Keep the face going up and not down. We do want to sag. We do not want to sag. To clean up the bottom, just going to take a little bit of that powder. And we're just going to add this, clean up, let that sit there. I'm debating, I'll do the slightest blush. Kind of don't want to do too much. Kind of fine with just the bronzer. Gonna go in with my Flower Beauty Peach Primrose and just a little bit, just so we have something going on there. And this is my e.l.f. blush brush, old school. Gonna go back in with that dual fiber brush and just blend everything out, especially up here. Don't worry, I noticed. I notice. I was honestly debating what lip to do. I'm like, I figured this like nudish look. We gotta go nude on the lips. J-Lo nude. Come on. I was between nude and red though. I was like, just go nude. So let's see what combo we come up with. For my highlights, I want to glow tonight. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty highlight, the little mini in Hustler Baby, because you already know. You already know. Let's see. I'm going to try with this actually. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. Oh, yeah. Come on. Good choice. I said I wanted to glow. So we're going to glow. Ooh. Yes, bitch. She better see me. She better see me. All the way in the nosebleeds. You better see me though. Gonna go ahead and take that same little concealer brush and I almost forgot my lower lash line. How can I forget? Not gonna do much there though. How could I forget? Honestly, I could have gotten away with not doing my lower lash line, but since we remembered, I'm just gonna take honestly a combo. I'm gonna go in thick and then I'm gonna go in with Revenge, and that's all we're gonna do pretty much. Just drag that underneath, and you can even just go in with Revenge, but kind of like the blend that this gives, because I probably won't go with Revenge all the way. I'm going to go in thick all the way and then Revenge maybe like 2/3 of the way. Now let's go in with Revenge. Oh, I can probably, yeah, Revenge just going up to here. What I'll do is I like to do this, add that definition up here. It's supposed to be a nude look, but whatever. I need some color to blend my false lashes, just so you don't see any skin peeking through. I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Kohl pencil, and I'm just dragging that. This honestly is a lot easier if you look down while you're doing this. And yeah. Don't look up, look down, look away, and it just makes the process so much easier, and just glide. And just glide. Let me change my outfit. I think I've actually got time to spare too. I've got to do some work before I head out. But let me change my outfit real quick and let's see what color lip combo for sure. I know we're going to have to do a gloss, so let me think about that. Maybe I'll be late because I was thinking about my new lip combo. I'll be right back. Gotta fluff yourself up. Got a nice neon tank top. I tried to DIY some nipple covers, or I don't know, maybe I'll try to use my strapless, but that kind of has like a cheetah print on there. I don't know, but I feel like I kind of see the band-aids. I was like, should I tell Frankie to pick me up some nipple covers from Walgreens? That would be a random errand. Maybe I'll see if I can pick some up on my way home. If not, I'll try this strapless, see what's up. Or should I just let the girls go free? I'm not sure, but I think it's good to have little chicken cutlets nipple covers in your dresser drawer for these types of shirts. Anyway, now let's go ahead. I'm going to take my nude lip liner from LA Girl in the shade Keeping It Spicy, and we're going to go ahead and line our lips. So for the lipstick, so many nudes out there. I still have to do my favorite like nude lipstick and lip liner combos because there's so many. But one of my favorites is from the Maybelline Into Matte line. This one is in shade Beige Babe. And we're going to go ahead and fill in the lips. Like I've said before, lip liner just makes the biggest difference. You can totally leave it like this, but it's J-Lo. We need some gloss. So one of my favorites that just lasts a long time is the L'Oreal Infallible 8 Hour, their Pro Glosses. This one is in the shade Coral Sands. I have another one that's like a little bit deeper, but let's go light. Yes, love this one. My favorite gloss used to be one by L'Oreal as well. They came in like gold tubes. I forgot what it was called. Like, it was close to like that Ferris Nude or something, but it was beautiful, but they don't sell it anymore. So I'm like, ugh, so sad. But this one is another favorite. I love this gloss line. Like, this lasts a long time for a gloss. These last so long. Don't forget to set everything so you can have that glow with some Fix Plus. And because it's so hot and crazy out and who knows how sweaty it's gonna get indoors, a setting spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this completed look. Super easy, super simple. Get that nice glow and glossiness to your face. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see some more summery glowy looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with some more videos. Today I kind of played with a little bit more of my high-end makeup. Definitely mix in though that affordable. I like to do a little mix here and there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Once again, feel free to add or omit, switch up whatever products you have your favorites and just have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with some more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.